Welcome to Byte Further. In today's video, you'll learn how to fix an iPhone 16 black screen. Occasionally, you might find that your iPhone 16 screen starts turning black for no reason and fails to turn on. The black screen of death issue may occur after you update the iOS or when you try to wake it up. In some cases, the display won't respond to any demand, button presses or touch at all. In other cases, you find that the iPhone 16 screen is black but still on as you can hear the sounds when pressing buttons, use Siri and feel the vibration. When it comes to what causes a black screen on iPhone 16, it could be low battery level, incompatible external peripherals, iOS bugs or jailbreaking, app malfunctions, broken screen or connectors, etc. Fortunately, there are some methods available to help solve iPhone 16 black screen of death and get your phone back to life. Make sure to follow the steps one by one until the display problem is sorted out. Don't forget to give this video a like or a super thanks if you think this video is good and helps. Now, let's start. Step 1. Juice up your iPhone 16 battery. Whenever you find the screen suddenly goes dark then turns black, the go-to thing is to charge the phone. Grab a working charging cable and charger. Use them to connect your iPhone 16 to power and wait for a couple of minutes. The red battery charging icon should appear, which means the battery is dead, causing the black screen on your iPhone 16. After the device has enough power to boot up, an Apple logo will come up. Just keep it charged and wait for it to reboot. If everything goes well, the iPhone 16 black screen problem should be resolved now. Step 2. Force turn on iPhone 16. If the screen remains black after charging, try this step to force switch on your iPhone 16. It helps eliminate glitches linked to the system, then revive it. Rest assured that this step just refreshes the system and won't cause any data loss. To perform a forced reboot, press the volume up key then release. Press the volume down key then release. Press the power key and hold it for a few seconds. When the black screen pops up an Apple logo, let go of the pressed power key. Your iPhone 16 will restart and boot back up normally without displaying the black screen again. If you notice that your iPhone 16 screen randomly goes black when using one particular app, attempt to uninstall the glitchy app first after the reboot, then reinstall it. If the issue reoccurs, do a forced restart again, then delete that app and find an alternative one. Step 3. Remove external accessories. Incompatible accessories connected to your iPhone 16 may cause the black screen issues. To troubleshoot it, try unplugging all the external devices from the device, including the cable and Bluetooth devices. If your iPhone 16 is wearing a case and a screen protector, take them off, too. After that, attempt to force restart the phone again to check if it can boot past the black screen and start working normally again. Step 4. Test if the display breaks. It's a common case that the iPhone 16 screen went black but still works. It's likely that the display is damaged due to dropping or water exposure. You can give it a test by connecting your iPhone 16 to a computer to see if it can be detected and the sound comes out. If so, consider contacting the support team and diagnose the screen's components. If not, just keep trying the next iPhone 16 black screen fix. Step 5. Troubleshoot iPhone 16 in recovery mode. Using a computer may also work out the issue when your iPhone 16 screen goes black. iTunes, Apple Devices app or Finder can detect your problematic device and fix the system issues there by installing the latest iOS on it or resetting the whole phone. To do this, you'll need to boot your iPhone 16 into recovery mode first. If you want to give this method a try, just follow the steps below to fix a black screen that doesn't respond or light up at all. Open a Windows or a Mac OS computer. Run iTunes, Apple Devices app or Finder on your computer after installing one of them. Use a working cord to attach your iPhone 16 into the machine. Then, press a series of button combinations to enter recovery mode. Press then quickly release the volume up key. Press then quickly release the volume down key. Press the power key and keep holding it until a restore screen shows up. This will be shown like asking you to connect to a laptop. Don't worry if you release the buttons upon seeing the Apple logo or your iPhone 16 keeps staying on black screen. Just repeat the steps to give it another try. Now, take a look at your computer while keeping your device connected to it. A dialog box should pop up from the opening application you use. From there, You can see that it gives you the update and restore two options to fix black screen on an iPhone 16. It's always suggested to perform an iOS upgrade first as it won't delete anything on your device. To do that, just click the update button and complete the instructions that follow. When the update begins, there will be a progress bar showing you how long it's remaining. Once done, see if your iPhone 16 black screen turns on after the update. If the device wakes up successfully, then you're good to go. If not, consider performing a restore to fix iPhone 16 black screen not turning on. This means to delete everything stored on your iPhone 16 and start from scratch, so make sure you're fine with that or you've already had a copy of your vital files and data somewhere. Just repeat the steps above and choose Restore on the computer to do that. Step 6. Visit a local repair shop. If your iPhone 16 is still on black screen and won't turn back on with routine troubleshooting, it might have hardware display damage. Take it to your nearest Apple Store's Genius Bar or Apple authorized service provider. The Genius there will run a full inspection test to confirm what causes the iPhone 16 black screen but still on. If your device is still covered by the 1-year warranty or you've purchased Apple Care Protection Plan, then service might be free of charge. That's all for how to fix iPhone 16 black screen of death. If you find this video helpful, please buy a super thanks for this video and give this video a like. Your support means a lot to us to deliver more useful videos to help those in need. Also, if you have any further questions, feel free to write them down in the comments below and I'll reply ASAP. To learn more tech tips about iPhones, subscribe to the Byte Further channel. Now, you can click another video on the screen to keep watching.